Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to clear the contents in multiple cells quickly on Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. Here I have imported my table or my data to the Google Sheets app, and we're going to clear the content of price column and also discount column. So first of all, we can select the column like this. We can tap and hold on the column and we can drag it. And we can tap and hold on this cell again until this option appear, and we're going to choose a clear to clear the content of this column. Alright, and that's easy, right? Okay guys, that's how we can clear the content in multiple cells automatically or quickly in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.